I know. The last time I told you that it was my last episode for my summer vacation, but you know that I love our hobby and I love you guys, so at least I have to do something a little bit more for you, for us. So this is for real the last episode before my summer vacation. Actually, I'm already in vacation, but you know, the power of computers and internet. Wow. This week we will do together something I hope really cool. I think for me it's cool, that involves in some way the 32 and 28 millimeter scale miniatures. I know, the last time I used to work on the 20 millimeter scale, but it don't means that I don't love my old miniature scale. So this is the reason why I took the decision to do something for this old and big scale. We're talking about archways, door passages for our modular dungeon tiles. I think it's a quite easy and simple, project that you can do in a few hours. So yes, probably if you want to speed up the process, you need a few tools, but you can also use your utility knife or your kitchen knife if you prefer. I mean, it's super easy. So just have fun and we'll see what happens, okay? So stop talking and let's get in action. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. So if yes, hit the like button, leave a comment in the box below, and please subscribe, because it's really, really important in order to grow the channel. I think it's all. We'll see you guys at the end of the month with new contents and new big, huge projects. As I promised you, you will see something really super cool this time. I'm sure that it will be super cool for all of us. Ciao!